Hey, what's up guys, this is Navid Ahmed Khan and you're watching Checo Tech.
So from 2 years everyone was trying to make bezel-less smartphones, and now every smartphone is coming with almost bezel-less design, and you must be wondering guys, what is next? And the next is foldable smartphones. Like last year Samsung, one of the most innovative company, make their first foldable smartphone, Samsung Galaxy Fold, at a price tag of $2000, which was like totally failed at first in their review units and had lot of problems, but still Samsung recalled and did some changes, and now people are buying that phone because of its futuristic design, and device is also very powerful. And guys, if you remember, Huawei at that time also introduced their Mate X foldable smartphone, and now finally they launched in China for $2400. And now Huawei is working on their second generation of their Mate X, and it will come with latest Kirin 990, and it will support 5G and is going to launch in March 2020. And guys, currently Samsung is also working on their second generation of Samsung Galaxy Fold, the Galaxy Fold 2, and it is going to launch in April 2020. And Galaxy Fold 2 definitely will be having a lot of new things, upgrades, and also a lot of new features. And guys, Samsung is currently working on their durability of foldable smartphones, and Galaxy Fold 2 will be much more durable, robust. And guys, Samsung is also working on their foldable displays, which is going to be more durable, scratch proof, and strong. And guys, the overall user experience on Galaxy Fold 2 will be much more fluid, smooth, and better, because Samsung already know the lackings on their Galaxy Fold 1, and they are definitely working on them. Guys, one more big news is coming from some rumors that the Galaxy Fold 2 will be much more cheaper than the Galaxy Fold, and the rumored price is around $1500. This is still expensive guys, but for the technology and the futuristic design we will get is very interesting. And guys, Galaxy Fold 2 is coming in April 2020 with a price tag of $1500. And that's it for today's guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you like, for whatever reason, like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for new updates.